before we can now start modeling our RC car, let's organize, or let's make the structure that allows us to organize our model. To do so, we right click here on our RC car, add view, and here we name this view MBSE project. When this is done, now let's create there some packages. You can do this with right click on this view and here add package. You can do this when this is selected and click here on this icon here, which creates a new package. Or when you make sure that you are here in the design category, you can click here on add package. All those three options have the same result. Okay, now let's create our package. And we name this package behavior. And I always recommend to also insert this short form of package here so that it is clear when you just read it that this is a package. Of course, here is an icon, but it is sometimes helpful when you also have this information here. Okay, then again, make sure that the MBSE project view is selected, and let's create some other packages or some further packages. One is ports and flows. Make sure it is written in that case, port and flows. And further on, we name requirements package. Another one we name structure package. And another one we name traces package. Now, especially for example for behavior, in order to further organize our model, let's create there some additional sub-packages. So we select here behavior, right click, add package, and we name it activities. Enter. And some further packages, which are sequences package. Oh, I forgot here. Just select it, press F2 and insert package. Then another one, which is states package, and another one we name use cases package, and enter. Fine. Then let's do the same for our ports and flows. We select our ports and flows packages, and here we add a flows package, a flow package, and a ports package. Fine. For the structure, we don't need a further package. And in principle, that's it. But before, let's also import some templates which are provided here by Enterprise Architect. To do so, make sure our MBSE project view is selected, and then here we select this model wizard here. When this is not opened, you can open it again when you reload the wizard. The wizard is, for example, there are a few options. Here. With this, you can open this again. Anyway, make sure the MBSE project view is selected, and then we click here on libraries, and here we have the primitive value types library. We see here some nice descriptions. You can scroll a little bit down for some further information. This is, by the way, for all diagrams, the same principle. For example, for the use case diagram, we can check here how it should look like. We get here some nice additional information. We see here different examples. You can check them all. We see here different block definition diagrams. And in principle, that's it. Okay. We can close this. Make sure we select libraries and their primitive value types library. And make sure this is selected. And then here we can create this, or we can transfer this to our MBSE project. Here, when this is selected here, we see it also here. You can change this here, by the way. And then we create it. This takes some seconds. And then we have here our model library. We will work, of course, also with this model library. Okay, with that done, we can create our model, or we can create our technical content of our model.